protect rainforest biome. Rainforest biomes are the most fascinating biomes in the world. There are 3 layers of rainforest: the canopy, the understory, and the forest floor. Canopy is the top layer. Most of the animals and plants live here. The next layer is understory. It has short trees and shrubs. Animals like snake, frog, and bats live here. And the last layer is the forest floor. It is damp, hot, and dark. A lot of insects and animals like pigs and deers live here. There are 2 types of rainforest: temperate rainforest and tropical rainforest. Let me give you some examples of temperate rainforests. Pacific coast in North America, United Kingdom, Norway, Japan, and New Zealand. Now, let me give you some examples of tropical rainforest. Central and South America, Western Africa, India, and Australia. Now, let me show you my project. You know why it's called rainforest? Because it rains all day. I made this rocky hill by thermocol and painted it brown. Then I made this waterfall by using gun glue and painted blue. I used these artificial trees to create this forest. I've cut out pictures of animals and stuck it. This one is a lion. This one is an elephant. And this one is a deer drinking water. This one is a tiger. See, koala is sitting on the tree. There's a bird eating leaves. Here is a brown colored bird. This red colored bird. And this yellow colored bird is going to fly. I've collected these pebbles and put it over here.